So here's 2016 paper 2 and it's question 7, leaving third ordinary level. Okay, so this is your measures for you. So be careful with some area and volume here. So this is a structure in Brussels and it's a world famous landmark. Consists of 9 identical spheres connected with pipes. Okay, so it's modelled on an iron atom that has been magnified 165 billion times. So given that a billion is 1,000 million, write 165 billion in the form of. So 165 billion is 165,000. Now that's 165 million. So billion adds on extra zeros. So in this case here, we want to write this in scientific notation. So scientific notation with A between 1 and 10. So in that case 1.65 by 10 to the power of. Now count back in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we put our decimal point 11 places back in. Okay, so that's scientific notation for you. The diameter of each sphere is 18 meters. So find the radius. Well, the radius is equal to half the diameter. So in this case, 18 meters divided by 2 is equal to 9 meters, which is the radius. Okay, find the volume of each sphere. So the volume of a sphere is equal to 4 over 3 pi r cubed, which in this case is 4 over 3. Pi is 3.14 because we want it in decimal, and the radius is 9 meters cubed. So type that in on your calculator. So 4 over 3 multiplied by 3.14 multiplied by 9 cubed gives you an answer of 3052.08 meters cubed. Okay, and that is the volume of each sphere. So to find the combined surface area, so this is different, of all spheres in the atomium. So the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r squared. So we want 9 multiplied by 4 pi r squared. So 9 times 4, pi is 3.14, and the radius is equal to 9 meters squared. So that's going to give us 9 times, we'll work out what's in the brackets first, 4 multiplied by 3.14, which is equal to 1017.36 meters squared. Multiply that by 9 gives us a total of 9156.24 meters squared. Okay, and we want it correct to the nearest meter, 9156 meters squared. So that's A, B and C for you. Okay, now we're going to look at part D. Okay, so in part D we have each of 8 cylindrical pipes extending from the center sphere has a radius of 165 meters and a length of 23 meters. So we want to find the sum of the curved surface area. So we want curved surface area. So the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. So which is equal to 2 times pi is 3.14. The radius is 1.65 meters. And the length or the height is 23 meters. So that gives us a total of 2 times 3.14 times 1.65 times 23, which gives me 238.326 meters squared. And we want to find the sum of 8 of them. So 8 times 238.326 gives us a total of 1906.608. And we round that up to 1907 meters squared. Okay. So that's the sum of the curved surface area. The other 12 pipes connect the outer spheres to each other. Each pipe has a radius of 1.45. All 12 pipes are equal in length, and the sum of the curved surface areas is 3170. So 370 meters squared divided by 12 is equal to 264.17 meters squared, which is the curved surface area of each. Okay, now 2 pi r h is equal to 264.17. So in this case then we want to find h. So h will be equal to 264.17 divided by 2 times 3.14, and we know that the radius is 1.45. So use your calculator again. 264.17, divide that by 2 times 3.14 times 1.45 is equal to 29 meters. So the height or length of each pipe is 29 meters. Okay, so the curved surface is part 3 of the 20 pipes, and 9 spheres are covered in stainless steel. So the 20 pipes, so earlier we had 1907 meters squared plus 3170 meters squared plus the surface area of the 9 spheres, 9156 meters squared, is equal to, so 1907 plus 3170 plus 9156 is equal to 14233 meters squared, and it's 70 euros per meter squared. So 14233, multiply that by 70, gives me a total answer of 996,310 euros. So that's an exam question for you. 2016, paper 2, question 7 for 55 marks. Okay.